Used 2015 BMW 328i xDrive. $18,325. 59,547 miles. Finance, $346 EST/month. Contact seller. Tel, 866-615-4910. JID Motors. Seller's notes. Recent arrival. Dealer serviced and maintained, no collisions, one owner, clean Carfax, well maintained, great shape inside and out, manager special, this month only. We deliver anywhere. Backup camera, daytime running lights, heated rear seats, adaptive light control, anthracite wood trim, cold weather package, comfort access keyless entry, Dakota leather upholstery, driver assistance package, hands-free Bluetooth and USB audio connection, heated door mirrors, heated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, lighting package, lumbar support, memory driver seat, moonroof, navigation system, park distance control, pearl gloss chrome highlight trim finishers, premium package, radio, anti-theft AM/FM/HD stereo CD/MP3 player, rear view camera, retractable headlight washers, satellite radio, wheels, 17x7.5 LT alloy star spoke, xenon headlights. Basics. Fuel type, gasoline. Exterior color, black sapphire metallic. Interior color, black. Stock, E3952. Drivetrain, AWD. Transmission, automatic. Engine, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 2.0L. VIN, WBA3B5C59FF963039. Mileage, 59,547. All features. 4-wheel disc brakes. ABS. Adjustable steering wheel. All-wheel drive. Aluminum wheels. AM/FM stereo. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Automatic headlights. Auxiliary audio input. Bluetooth connection. Brake assist. Bucket seats. CD player. Child safety locks. Climate control. Cruise control. Daytime running lights. Driver airbag. Driver illuminated vanity mirror. Driver vanity mirror. Engine immobilizer. Floor mats. Fog lamps. Front head airbag. Front side airbag. HD radio. Heated mirrors. Integrated turn signal mirrors. Intermittent wipers. Keyless entry. Keyless start. Knee airbag. Leather steering wheel. Mirror memory. MP3 player. Multi-zone A/C. Pass-through rear seat. Passenger airbag. Passenger airbag sensor. Passenger illuminated visor mirror. Passenger vanity mirror. Power door locks. Power driver seat. Power folding mirrors. Power mirror. Power passenger seat. Power steering. Power windows. Premium synthetic seats. Rain sensing wipers. Rear A/C. Rear bench seat. Rear defrost. Rear head airbag. Seat memory. Stability control. Steering wheel audio controls. Telematics. Tire pressure monitor. Tires, front performance. Tires, rear performance. Traction control. Trip computer. Turbocharged. Universal garage door opener. Variable speed intermittent wipers. Wood grain interior trim. Convenience. Homelink. Keyless start. Entertainment. Bluetooth. Safety. Brake assist. Stability control. Seating. Memory seat. Exterior. Alloy wheels.